In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CoinGecko Portfolio Tracker. If you want a straightforward way to monitor your crypto without linking exchange accounts, this walkthrough will get you set up from start to finish. Start by accessing CoinGecko on the web at coingecko.com, or open the mobile app if you prefer tracking on the go. The mobile app is often the easiest for quick updates, but both work well. Create a free account or log in so your data is saved and synced between devices. That way you won't lose your entries and you can pick up where you left off anytime. Once you're in, head to Portfolio and create a new one. Give it a clear name that reflects its purpose, like Main Portfolio, Trading Wallet, or Long Term. You can make multiple portfolios to separate different strategies, which keeps active trades apart from your long-term holds and makes your performance easier to interpret. Next, add your crypto transactions manually. This is the key to using CoinGecko without any wallet or exchange connections. Choose Add Transaction and select the type that matches what happened. Buy when you purchase, sell when you exit a position, transfer for moving funds, and receive or send for wallet-to-wallet activity. Fill in the coin, the amount, and if you have it, the price you paid or received. Add the date and time and include any fees you were charged. Price is optional, but entering it accurately, along with the correct timestamp, gives you far better profit and loss calculations later. After your entries are in, CoinGecko automatically compiles your portfolio view. You'll see total value, overall profit or loss, 24-hour changes, and how your holdings are allocated across assets. This snapshot helps you quickly spot which coins are leading, lagging, or dominating your exposure, so you can stay informed without manual math. If you want to react quickly to market moves, set price alerts. Open any coins page, tap. Add alert and input your target price. You'll get notified when the market hits that level, helping you manage entries, exits, or risk without constantly checking charts. Because CoinGecko doesn't auto-sync with exchanges, make updating a habit. Add every new trade, record transfers between wallets, and double-check entries if your totals look off. Consistency is what keeps your performance accurate. People choose CoinGecko's tracker because it's free, avoids API keys and wallet connections for more privacy, has a clean, beginner-friendly interface, and supports thousands of cryptocurrencies. Follow these steps, keep it updated, and you'll have a clear, reliable view of your crypto at all times.